Guys, check this out. It's early in the morning. We're still in Page, Arizona. There's a man leaping a Corvette, a C6. Look at the wheels. It might be his own car actually, but I'm not really sure. Dude, he's getting all the angles, and our Valar is, never mind, you can't see it. Oh, dude, it's not even his car. No way, he's hopping in the Hyundai. Stock Corvette C6 turning heads. Well guys, we're headed back to Los Angeles. Hope you guys are enjoying the McLaren F1 rally footage, but we're here at the world's largest Chevron station. Apparently has 80 gas pumps. So we're gonna take a look at this place. We got a couple newcomers on board. Got Henry the Snake and Alex Snakefold in the Mustang V6. Here we go, world's largest Chevron gas station. We're gonna see what this is all about. And the Valar does need to be filled up. We got around 2,000 miles on the odometer, so we are definitely rolling in the mileage, guys. So let's pull in and see what we got. For those who are asking, this is right off the 15 freeway. 80 gas pumps. It just goes on forever. Hold on, we're gonna go all the way to the end. Holy shit. Turns out the world's largest Chevron gas station is not that cheap at $4.19 per gallon. God damn it, guys. You would think with 80 pumps here, the gas would be a little bit cheaper, but nope. It's just another tourist trap. Snaked once again. And we got a couple newcomers on board. We got is this an EcoBoost or a V6?
It got donated.
Oh. A donated Mustang rental. Oh my god, look at all those bugs there. God damn, son. The service station right next to the Chevron is actually a lot more impressive. We got the Jack Link's Feed Your Wild Side fucking wildebeest. It's like 20 feet tall. The Wild Side section. You got the Red Bull Energy Drink Lounge. Oh my god. This service station is quite impressive. I just wish the gas was a little bit cheaper, but oh, we got a little casino over there as well. Krispy Kreme donuts in a cup, guys. No, there's like a whole Krispy Kreme donut section. Check out the beverage section right here, the soda fountain section. There's like 10 of them. Look at all the candy, the trinkets, the souvenirs, the junk food, the M&M section over there. Oh my god, this place is nuts. We got a stuffed animal section over here too. Henry, you have $1 for a good time. Open the door for only $1.
I'm good.
Okay. Guys, I said there were 80 gas pumps. I was wrong. There's 95. 15 more than I originally thought. Back in the Valar, off to Los Angeles, baby. Ooh, all right, here we go. Quick pit stop here at the new CNC Motors warehouse. 300 plus cars. Holy but Jesus Christ, guys. Check this out. We got the Ferrari 458 Italia Challenge race car, 918 GT3, red CGT, LaFerrari 300 SL, Enzo green LFA. That thing is pretty damn cool. There's only 2 in the world in that specific color. That one has white interior. The other one has red interior that's hiding somewhere in Europe. GT2 RS. Oh, look, our favorite car, the 911R. Wow, what a color combination. I like the gold wheels, though. Interior is, oh, it's very colorful. Look at that. Yellow calipers. This thing is a very interesting color combination on the Scuderia here, guys. Check out this 350R. Look at the front splitter solo. I was actually in one of these with a radio and aircon delete in Sebring. Guy drove like a mad dog. This is a pretty sick car. I've been eyeballing these for a little bit. Could this be a potential replacement or addition to the SVR? That's the real question. Of course, this R version has the massive wing in the back, so the inventory here at CNC is pretty damn impressive. Apparently, they're building a second warehouse right over there, so stay tuned for that, I guess. But my goodness, this place has anything and everything, and of course, they even have a V6 F-Type. No freaking way. Good color, but the wheels, not so nice. On this end, we got the 4x4, a bunch of American muscle cars, some good old Ferraris, Demons, Corvettes, Mustangs, GTRs, Audi R8s, and of course, we got a bizarre looking McLaren with a wide-body kit from Liberty Walk. Lotus, not bad. Bunch of Porsches, standard. So let's gonna go back to the front. and check out the inventory, guys. GT3 RS, but the Speedster, this is some straight up Marcus stuff right here. The green LFA up front and center, guys. Right next to this GT3 RS and this California. And our favorite car, the 911R. This thing has absolutely tanked in value. Remember when someone was trying to sell these for like $1 million or like $750 at $1 million? Now they're going for like a third of that price. So there you guys have it. And back to the front. So this thing is super nice. Digging the white interior. One of my dream cars, man. Of course, the wing is up. Looking absolutely gorgeous here. Wow. And F12. There she is, guys. The 350R. I've been eyeballing. They're trying to steal my car or what? Anyways, back in the Valar. We got one more hour back to Los Angeles and Beverly Hills. Whoa, 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 whoa. This facility is mighty impressive. I do apologize to everyone because I haven't been posting many videos, so I'm going to extend an olive branch and provide more exclusive content. Starting here at CNC Motors, got excess inventory all the way out here, and they're building a second warehouse. Guys, I gotta say, this whole rainbow effect with the polarizer, it's really bothering me, and it's even more pronounced on the LCD screen here, the dual LCD screen in the Valar. So yeah, that's kind of a pet peeve if you wear polarized sunglasses or prescription polarized sunglasses too. That is an issue as well. Yeah. And we got, oh, that is actually pretty sick. Nice color, sir, nice color. But yeah, we're back in Beverly Hills. Better than ever. We got the whole squad rolling through here. Seems to be a little bit slow today, but you never know, things can pick up. So I got a question for you guys. So it looks like this RAV4 in front of us hit the door of this, what, is it Benz?
S-Class.
S-Class? The question is, who is at fault? The guy opening the door or the person driving? Holy shit. Hey, you know, let the audience decide, damn it. Oh, yeah, that's pretty fucked. Henry and Alex and I all agree that it's the person opening the door's fault, but what do you guys think? All right, guys, we got the Valar out. We're headed to Hollywood and Beverly Hills tonight. Check out the puddle light that this thing has, and it's emanating from right up here underneath the side mirror. This helicopter is killing the vibe. We're gonna hop in here. So I made a major mistake here. The Hollywood Bowl traffic here is absolutely insane. So we're gonna get the hell out of here. Back onto the freeway, baby. Holy crap, backed all the way up, man. What the heck's going on here? It's like a photo shoot. What the hell is going on there? You can't park your Audi in the middle of the road, boy. For those who are wondering how you get those Instagram shots, check this out. What the fuck? Hold on. It's like a music video or something. What? Oh, he's gonna light this fool up, dude. Yeah.
Gotta take it out.
He's gonna get him, dude. Because they were hanging outside the car with no seatbelt on. Right on cue, guys. The 90210 BHBD locking it down. I think the car had a couple guys hanging outside of the window with no seatbelts, so yikes. What's an F-spot video without some good old Beverly Hills police action here? Truck better watch out. The cops are out in force tonight, so yikes. I swear to God, just as I filmed that clip, someone is getting pulled over. I'm not really sure what is happening, but wow. I told you I wasn't making this shit up, guys. So I circle back and let's see what we got here. Who is in trouble? Can't really tell. A C230. Oh dear, oh my, no one is safe here, guys. At least not tonight. Usually it's not too bad, but sometimes you just gotta be a little bit careful, but it is what it is. The Valar now has an astonishing 2,500 miles. So we put around 22 to 2,300 miles on this sucker. So I'll give you my full thoughts and review and opinions on this very, very soon. But I don't know if the Emmys are today or tomorrow, but the paparazzi and all the VIP red carpet parties are out in force. So this is very standard Los Angeles hoity-toity tuxedo black dress nonsense, as evidenced right here at Sassoni's. Looks like they got a whole VIP valet. Everyone's in their black and white suits, looking their sharpest. Look, there you go, guys. This is like legit, no joke. This is how Los Angeles is when it's awards season. So the whole VIP red carpet nonsense, not really my thing, but hey, if you want to move to Los Angeles and be famous, ooh, and we got cops, but be my guest. But man, dude, guys, yes, check that out. That guy's jamming. Yeah. Dude, he's jamming all by himself in a spacesuit. Hell yeah, dude. Hollywood Boulevard, man. Fuck yeah, we're gonna U-turn around and check this guy out, man. This guy's, I like this guy. I like this guy. I don't know what it is, but I am digging his vibe, dude. Interesting. Oh no, he's taking a break. He's taking a break. There he is. Yeah, it's like his own DJ. Oh my God. Hell yeah, dude. Yes. I think I got a tip. Hell yeah. Dude, that's what it's all about, baby. Hollywood Boulevard. Love that guy.